Hey guys, it's Jared Cook. I'm here today at the Perry Company in Waco, Texas. We're in the studio. We're going to take a look at this dual-sided scratch-resistant half-inch polycarbonate door on this John Deere 331P. I want to stop and say a huge thank you to United Ag and Turf here in Waco, Texas for letting us borrow this unit. Let's take a closer look. Now that we've got this door open, you can see a lot of the features, and you're going to notice that there's a lot of similar looking features to that OEM door, and those are parts that we're going to ask you to take off your OEM door and install here. And so you'll have the wiper assembly, you have your safety latches, you have your main latch. We do add our striker, we do add our female hinges, and we'll talk about those here in just a second. But to talk about this door, it is half-inch dual-sided scratch-resistant polycarbonate with a 14-gauge solid steel frame with premium edge trim. Hopefully you guys can see the compression on that bubble all the way around, and it fits this pocket for a nice secure close each and every time so that you don't have rattles or leaks or things like that. Let's take a closer look at the hinges and the striker. All right, to talk about the striker plate and the brackets, let's go into the striker plate first. This is a 3/16 powder coated steel piece. We do have our welded in striker, and then we also have a striker guard so that you don't snag your shirt on it, that kind of stuff. But what we've done is we've incorporated quite a bit of adjustability in this striker so that when you're trying to perfect that seal around your door, you're able to use the adjustability of this striker to accomplish that. Now on our hinge system, we use a 1/4-inch powder coated steel, and we weld that to a piece of 1-inch solid round stock that is precisely milled to fit over these posts. We'll show some still images of that in the video so that you can see that, but really excited about this development. We're using premium material all throughout. Let's sum up the day. All right guys, let's go ahead and sum up the day, and as you can see here, we've got a unique design. Nobody else that I've seen is making them like this. I feel really proud of some of the form, fit, and function that we've utilized in this design, and I want to tell you about a couple other features you might not be aware of. So number one, on this polycarbonate, we have the half-inch dual-sided scratch-resistant in clear and a 50% tint. Some guys were buying our doors in clear and trying to tint them with automotive film, and it just doesn't work. It bubbles up over time because this polycarbonate is naturally going to outgas over time. So we've dedicated that time, money, resources to the material here in-house, and the way that the tinted material is made is that tinted portion is actually extruded in with the polycarbonate material in that extrusion process as they're making it, so you don't have to worry about that becoming defective in any way. The other thing about our door is it's a flat plane. It's not a convex or concave shape. When you have a convex or concave shape, that light is going to focus and cause glare in different areas, and with this flat plane, it's going to disperse that light out so that you don't have as much glare. I will say on install time, once you get good at it, it's probably going to take you 30-45 minutes to install one of these. I had a great time this morning going through the install with the guys on it, and if you have any questions about this door, about this design, call us here at the Perry Company. We'd love to direct you to your local John Deere dealer where you can buy this product. Thank you.